Welcome to the physical structure of the Internet. Have you ever wondered how data moves from your device to a server halfway across the world? To understand this, we must break the complex global network into three main components: the network edge, access networks, and the network core. The network edge consists of end systems, the hardware we interact with directly. These are clients like laptops, smartphones, and IoT devices, as well as powerful servers hosting web pages and databases. All edge systems run applications, initiating or receiving the data flowing through the network. How do end hosts connect to the rest of the world? Through access networks. In homes, DSL uses telephone lines at speeds up to 50 megabits, coaxial cable reaches near 1 gigabit, and modern fiber to the home delivers 10 gigabits. Businesses rely on wired Ethernet, while mobile devices use wireless Wi-Fi. Moving deeper, we enter the network core. This is a highly interconnected web of routers and switches. Their primary job is routing and forwarding, taking packets arriving at an incoming link and directing them onto the correct outgoing path, ensuring data reaches its final destination. Not all routers are created equal. Edge routers stand at the boundary of networks, managing client access, policing bandwidth, and performing address translation. In contrast, core routers reside at the backbone, optimized for ultra-high-speed packet switching and maximum throughput without direct client intervention. Let's put it all together to visualize a packet's journey. Your laptop connects via Wi-Fi to an access network, which forwards the data to the local edge router. From there, the packet travels across high-speed core backbone links before arriving at the target server. A seamless global hierarchy in action.